Here's how to recover your Facebook account. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Facebook app, then open your login page. Here you have to enter your email address or username and then click on the forget password option. Moving on to the next step, here you have to enter your email address to find your account. After entering your email address, tap on the find account option. Now here at this page, click on the continue if you find this account is yours or this account belongs to you. After tapping onto the continue, it will send a verification code at your email address. Go to your email box and then copy the code and paste it here. Now click on the continue option. Then follow all of the on-screen instructions. After that, your account will be recovered. So that's how to recover your Facebook account.